The Ford Kuga II, produced from 2012 to 2019, uses a mechanical cable system to release the hood. This system is reliable and simple, consisting of three main components. First, there's the interior lever, located on the driver's side under the dashboard. It's usually red or brightly colored for easy identification. Second, the release cable connects the interior lever to the hood latch. It's a steel cable that runs through protective sheathing to prevent damage. Third, the hood latch is a spring-loaded mechanism under the front grille that secures the hood when closed and releases when the cable is pulled. This video will demonstrate how to safely and effectively use this system to open your hood. The interior hood release lever is located on the driver's side, typically under the dashboard near the footwell or steering column. It is usually a red or brightly colored lever and may be labeled with a hood icon. Make sure your vehicle is parked and the engine is off before proceeding. To release the primary latch, locate the interior lever and pull it downward firmly. You may need to apply 10 to 15 kilograms of force. You should hear a click, indicating the primary latch under the hood has been released. If the lever is difficult to pull, inspect the release cable for corrosion or damage. Walk to the front of the vehicle. Locate the secondary safety catch. This is a small lever located under the front edge of the hood, usually in the center or slightly to one side. You may need to feel around for it. Push or lift the secondary safety catch lever while simultaneously lifting the hood. The hood should now be free to open. Be careful not to pinch your fingers in the latch mechanism. Locate the hood prop rod, a metal strut usually attached to the hood or engine bay. Insert the prop rod into the designated slot on the hood to hold it open securely. This prevents the hood from falling and causing injury. If the hood doesn't open, the cable may be corroded or broken, especially in coastal areas with salt exposure. Try lubricating the latch mechanism and cable with penetrating oil to free up corrosion. If the lever is stuck, avoid excessive force as the cable could snap. Consult a mechanic if the problem persists to avoid further damage. Regular maintenance helps keep your Ford Kuga's hood release system working properly. Inspect the release cable annually for wear and corrosion to prevent failures. Lubricate the latch mechanism periodically to maintain smooth operation and prevent sticking. Always ensure the hood is properly secured with the prop rod before working in the engine bay to avoid accidents. Remember to close the hood firmly after you're finished, ensuring it latches securely for safety. If you are unsure of any of these steps, please seek the help of a trained mechanic.